Okay, so to format our cells here, to change the color of the cells is very simple. All you need to do is click and highlight the cells, click and drag, highlight many at a time if you like. You choose your fill color right here. So I'm just going to make these cells yellow. Then my header cells here, I'll highlight all of these. And again, we just select the fill color here. We can pick any color that we want. Right now, all these gray cell borders are not going to print. So if I want to actually have the cells divided, what I would do is, again, highlight the cells that I want to work with. And if we go right here to the borders, we have a whole selection of borders in here. If you choose all borders, it will put a border around each cell. And average is pretty simple here. You can either go through your formula button up here, functions button rather. I think they call it formula in Excel, but we're in Google Sheets. If I highlight these cells, this cell right here, and I go to formula, I can choose average, and then I'm just going to simply click and drag across the cells that I want to be in that average. You can see it filled it in from B2 to I2. Just hit enter. Now it's giving me the average. So my average is 70 right now. You got a 21 on this test. So if I change this grade and they do a retest and they get an 80, once I hit enter, watch, the 70 will change to a 77. So once I've already got that cell formula in, I could just simply highlight that cell and I grab this little handle here and drag it down. And it will autofill that same formula into all of these cells on its own. Okay, another way to do those averages is if I just simply click in here, this is like the old school way, and I type in equal average, what do we call that, parenthesis, and then I put the first cell in that I want right here, so it's B3, and then I put in a colon, and then I put it where I want it to end. I want it to end on I3. I'll put in I3, close my parentheses, hit enter, and I got the average as well. It's way easier just to click the cell, choose your function here, and go to average. Again, we have all these different functions that we can use. We're just using average here. Choose average, click and drag the cells that I'm talking about, hit enter, and again, I can autofill this one by just clicking and dragging down. And the fonts and stuff are real easy to change too. It's just like Word, right? You just highlight the cells you're talking about. You go up into here, excuse me. You pick the font that you want. So what you're going to do here is you're going to download my plain old spreadsheet. You're going to add some colors, add some fonts, add your average formula over here, put a cell border on it, and then you're going to share it back with me via Google Drive. And that is it for this tutorial. Thank you.